Hi, I'm Ravi from Arna Fitness. Our gym is located in 𝐖𝐞𝐥𝐜𝐚 Cross in Bangalore South. So initially when I wanted to start this gym, I inquired about many brands, many gym equipment brands, but nowhere I was satisfied. Later on I got to know about Welcare equipments. So I just went to Coimbatore for the head office, for the main outlet, and inquired about the equipments. I searched, I researched, I did some analysis. I also checked how the equipments work in technically, and with my trainers as well. Even they checked how the equipments work basically with some scientific and technical methods. Later on, we were fine with the equipments, and we directly met Mr. Mahesh sir, who is the MD of the Welcare. Then regarding the pricing, we discussed with Mahesh sir, and everything was well planned and well organized. Later on, we finalized for Welcare. In our brand, in our franchise, we have complete equipments filled with Welcare brands, as well as we also purchased 𝐖𝐞𝐥𝐚𝐫𝐞, which is the main machine for boosting our sales. It is also promoting our sales. Because of this machine, we could get new clients, new members, new walk-ins. It is helping our marketing strategy. Everything is fine as of now. Service is also good. All our members are satisfied. Day by day, we are planning to add on many equipments. So our relationship with Welcare is going on good, and it will be continued for a few more years. So thank you Welcare, thank you Mahesh sir, thank you very much.